If I'm trying to override like this, 100% pakka it is valid, but it is not overriding because it is the private method of parent class, it is the private method of child class. Okay, like then immediately you may ask the question, sir, if it is the case, parent P is equal to new child I am taking P dot M1, then which method will come, sir? Remember, private methods not visible to the child classes, hence overriding concept is not applicable for private methods. Sir, here I am taking class P, parent class method I declared as final, public, final, void M1. Sir, if the parent class method declared as final, bas, it is the final implementation. No one is allowed to override. By mistake, if I am trying to perform overriding public void M1, by mistake, if I am trying to override, immediately comparative error we are going to get. M1 in C cannot override M1 in P. What is the reason for that? Overridden method is final. So if the parent class method declared as final, then overriding concept is not applicable. Sir, if the parent class method is a final, I want to override child class method as either non-final or final. Non-final to final, perfectly acceptable. But next level child, you can't override. So similarly, if the parent class method is abstract, abstract means not having implementation, then I want to override that in the child class. Compulsory we should override to provide implementation.